Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Renah Wolzinger, the Technical Director at Eduvators. Today I'm going to show you a quick demo on how to share a Google Edu vibe-coded artifact. You can share it anywhere you want, including right into the Canvas LMS, so let's take a look. So here I've asked for a simple prompt, create an intro to a break system for community college level auto class. I iterated a couple times to add some visuals. It told me all the changes that it made and good to go. This is pretty great. You can hold down the brake and then watch the RPM and rotor temperature change. You can also go down here, look at the prime directive, Pascal's law. You can change the types of brakes. Let's go to disc brakes. We can do this again. Now let's talk about sharing this project, because we'd love to share this with students in a nice, safe way. In Google Edu, which I'm in right now, there's a share button on the very top, share and export. So it's going to be sharing the artifact, which is really this code. This is previewing that code. Here's the share button, share and export. So we see in the Edu version we have share via drive or copy contents. Copy contents would be copying all of the code that you can host in some other place, like a Google site, GitHub, Netlify, for example. Or you can share via drive, hit proceed. And now you can share with certain people. You can have restricted access. You can share with your school district or anyone with the link. So once you do that, you just copy the link and you're done. Now we can share that in other places. So here we are in my Canvas shell, where I simply made two links, one right to the artifact and another one. I usually make a picture since I can't embed this artifact. Well, I can if I do an iframe, but I didn't here. Once I click this, I go right into Fundamentals of Braking System, interactive lesson. Just to note that if you are in the Pro version, not Edu, but Google Gemini Pro, and you want to share, you can share and you get a slightly different menu. You get just the link there, and you can share that, copy the link or share it to social media or other sites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join us at www.eduvators.net.